Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to generate a link for a Google Meet session. The process is very straightforward. Start by visiting meet.google.com and then click on the New Meeting button. From the menu, select Create a Meeting for Later. This generates your specific meeting URL. Just click the copy icon and paste the link wherever you need it. You also have the option to schedule the event through Google Calendar. By selecting this, you can provide a title for your session, set the specific time, and choose how often it should repeat. Additionally, you can set up notifications, add a location, and include a detailed description. You are also able to invite guests to the meeting before clicking the Save button. Just remember to copy the meeting link located right here before you finish. It really is that simple to set up. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more tutorials.